In this video, I'm going to show you simple ways to fix the HBO Max black screen issue so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Let's dive in. First, check your internet connection, as a weak or unstable network can cause playback issues. Restart your router or modem if needed, and ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Next, try restarting the HBO Max app by closing it completely and reopening it. If the issue persists, restart your streaming device or TV. For devices like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or smart TVs, unplug the device from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Another common fix is clearing the app cache. On Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, HBO Max, and select Clear Cache. For smart TVs or streaming devices, uninstall the HBO Max app and reinstall it from the App Store. If you're still seeing a black screen, try switching to a different HDMI port on your TV or using a different HDMI cable to rule out hardware issues. You can also test HBO Max on another device to see if the problem is specific to one device. Finally, ensure your HBO Max app and device software are updated to the latest versions, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. If none of these steps work, visit the HBO Max Help Center or contact their support team for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope your HBO Max black screen issue is resolved. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.